Flashlight.
Boy.
Para inom may video.
Guys ka boy.
Put a support on the lower thoracic. Where? Flex knees. Okay. Then of course your gonadal shield. Go to the head. You use crosswise because we're talking about zygomatic arches on both sides. No? Para kung imong ilintwise, magputol niya. And this is a bilateral demonstration. Okay? Head is extended and let it rest on its vertex. Trying to position the infra-orbitomyata line parallel with the table. Okay? The same as Schuller segmento vertical. Mid-genital plane perpendicular. Okay? Beam is directed perpendicular to the infra-orbitomyata line, passing an inch posterior to the outer canthi, plural sa canthus. Pass through posterior to the beam is directed perpendicular to the infra-orbitomyata line, passing an inch posterior to the outer canthus, canthi for both sides. Diara imong kasit. Pag siguro mo og timing sa kasit, mag-uban ni sila tanan. So kung asa ng imong beam paingon, ang imong crossbar paingon na sa tunga sa kinesiya crossbar kinahanglan tumong na sa tunga sa kaset. In 99.9% sa imong projections. Ang tuyo ani nga kana siya nga part i-project nimo sa tunga sa kaset. So pag practice ko no, apila ko no. Okay? Magbana-bana ka taran. Alam pag inang taran mo. Okay. Okay? Okay na mo? Ha? Magic? Sure, si magic ko eh.
Para sa shoulders.
Ha?
Para sa shoulders.
Oh. Okay. So this is a bilateral demonstration of both zygomatic arches. At ang lang tingubon, arita sa number 3. Kay para din sa maklisod. Now, ang number 3 is a unilateral tangential projection. So isara. So imong i-displace ang imong lawas. If you want to examine the right side, then you have to move the patient to the left. Okay? Imo lang i-displace para kini amo sentro sa imong table. Okay. Now, you will also notice that as the head is extended, mauna siya mo iuntang flat cheek bone of depressed fracture. Kung imo na diretsoon, niya ang iyang parietal yan burot atong ulo dinhi. Musangko gyapon na siya musapaw. So what will you do? You rotate the head 15 degrees towards the affected side. Para mo limpyo na siya diretso. Okay? So just 15 degrees, gamay ra. Imong mid-genital plane is rotated 15 degrees towards the affected side. Then again, the beam is directed perpendicular to the infra-orbitomyata line and still directed towards zygomatic arch. That's approximately 1.5 inches from the outer canthus.
More na collimation, sir.
Huh?
More na collimation.
But not too small, sir. Kaya nako man imong arc mo na.
Ayang,
Simulo.
saan ito rin yung sir natin eh?
Hindi ano. Asan ito? O diyan. Tapsing.
Pagkang.
Okay?
Parang yan palang kasit, sir.
Alright. Alright, bitin. Ito.
Sa bilateral,
Unilateral.
unilateral.
This is lengthwise. Kay unilateral naman, isa naman lang. Okay. Ang tuyo ana nga murag ana siya para kini siya mo o kini mo gawas, no? That's why it is rotated 15 degrees. Okay? Sige, go!